The Clearview Next-Gen Towing Mirror is a clip-on towing mirror that provides a wider field of view when towing a trailer, caravan, or boat. It is designed to be a direct replacement for your stock mirrors, so you don't have to lose any of the features that came with your vehicle, such as heated glass or power adjustment. The next-gen towing mirror features a dual mirror system with a flat-top mirror that gives you a full and accurate view of the edge of your trailer or caravan, and a convex bottom mirror that eliminates blind spots. The mirrors also extend a massive 180 millimeters, so you can see everything behind you, even when you're towing a large trailer. When you're not towing, the mirrors can be folded in close to your vehicle, so they don't add any extra width. They are also made from durable weather-resistant materials, so they can withstand the elements. Dual mirror system with flat top and convex bottom mirrors. Extends 180 millimeters for a wider field of view. Mastercard In-Car-Payment is a technology that allows you to make secure payments from your car using your Mastercard. This can be done at a variety of locations, including gas stations, parking garages, and restaurants. There are two main ways to use Mastercard In-Car-Payment. Through your car's infotainment system. Many newer cars come with built-in infotainment systems that support Mastercard In-Car-Payment. To use this feature, you will need to add your Mastercard to your car's digital wallet. Once you have done this, you can make payments by selecting the Mastercard icon on your infotainment screen and following the prompts. Through a third-party app, there are also a number of third-party apps that support Mastercard In-Car-Payment. These apps can be downloaded to your smartphone and used to make payments at participating locations. Mastercard In-Car-Payment is a convenient and secure way to make payments on the go. It is also a growing trend, with more and more cars and merchants supporting the technology each year. Magna is a leading global supplier of automotive technologies, including thermal sensing solutions. Magna's thermal sensing products are used in a variety of applications, including Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS). Magna's thermal cameras are used in ADAS features such as pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, and night vision. Powertrain control. Magna's thermal sensors are used to monitor engine temperature, exhaust gas temperature, and other critical parameters. Cabin comfort. Magna's thermal sensors are used to control heating and air conditioning systems, as well as seat heaters and coolers. Magna is a pioneer in the development of thermal sensing technologies. The company was the first to develop a production-ready thermal camera for ADAS applications, and it continues to be a leader in the development of new and innovative thermal sensing solutions. CRUNK drawers are a custom-built modular storage system designed to fit into the exterior storage compartment of a travel trailer, RV, van, or overland truck. It provides a compact and convenient way to store all of your kitchen essentials, including a propane stove, grill, a griddle, cutting board, silverware drawer, and counter space. Modular design. The drawers can be configured in a variety of ways to suit your needs. Durable construction. The drawers are made from high-quality materials that can withstand the elements. Easy installation. The drawers can be installed in minutes using simple tools. Space-saving design. The drawers are designed to maximize storage space in your exterior storage compartment. Increased efficiency. The drawers make it easy to access your kitchen essentials, so you can cook and clean up quickly and easily. If you are looking for a versatile and durable storage solution for your RV or overland vehicle, then CRUNK drawers are a great option. The Rugged Ridge AmFib Snorkel System is a high-quality snorkel system that is designed for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT vehicles. It allows your vehicle to safely ford deep water by relocating the engine's air intake to a higher location. The snorkel system is made from durable UV-resistant plastic and is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Modular design. The snorkel system can be configured in two ways, low mount and high mount. The low mount option is more discreet, while the high mount option provides the most water protection. Easy installation. The snorkel system can be installed in a few hours using simple tools. Water protection. The snorkel system is designed to protect your engine from water damage up to a depth of 33 inches. Increased performance. The snorkel system can also improve engine performance by providing it with cleaner, cooler air. Stylish appearance, the Snorkel system gives your Jeep a rugged and off-road look. Envisics is a company that develops augmented reality AR head-up displays HUDs for cars, Rugged Ridge AmFib Snorkel. The Rugged Ridge AmFib Snorkel system is a high-quality snorkel system that is designed for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT vehicles. It allows your vehicle to safely ford deep water by relocating the engine's air intake to a higher location. The Snorkel system is made from durable UV-resistant plastic and is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Modular design. The Snorkel system can be configured in 2 ways, low mount and high mount. The low mount option is more discreet, while the high mount option provides the most water protection. Easy installation. The Snorkel system can be installed in a few hours using simple tools. Water protection. The Snorkel system is designed to protect your engine from water damage up to a depth of 33 inches. TRUTRACK Data Loggers is a company that manufactures data loggers and weather stations. Their data loggers are used to record a variety of data, including temperature, humidity, pressure, rainfall, water height, light, solar radiation, leaf wetness, soil water tension, wind speed, wind direction, frequency, flow, voltage, and current. Their weather stations are used to collect weather data, such as temperature, humidity, pressure, rainfall, wind speed, and wind direction. Meristem Crop Performance is a company that develops adjuvants for herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. Their TRUTRACK adjuvants are designed to improve the deposition and coverage of pesticides by reducing driftable fines and increasing canopy penetration and leaf surface coverage. This can help to improve the efficacy of pesticides and reduce environmental impact. LLumar is a leading manufacturer of paint protection film PPF, which is a clear, ultra-thin film that is applied to the exterior of a vehicle to protect it from scratches, chips, and other damage. LLumar PPF is made from a proprietary polyurethane material that is incredibly durable and resilient. It can withstand the harsh elements of the road, including rocks, bugs, salt, sand, and UV rays. Protection from scratches and chips. LLumar PPF can help to prevent scratches and chips from damaging your vehicle's paint. This can save you money in the long run, as you will not have to pay to have your car repainted. Preserved resale value. A car with a well-maintained paint job will have a higher resale value than a car with a damaged paint job. LLumar PPF can help to keep your car's paint looking new, which can help to increase its resale value. Easy to clean. LLumar PPF is easy to clean and maintain. You can simply wash your car with soap and water, and the PPF will remain intact.